Today we're breaking away from the studio and we're here in Key West. And we're joined by Alex Beaumont, Executive Chef of the Casa Marina and the Reach, Waldorf Astoria Resorts. So what are we making today, Alex?
We're gonna do pan-seared Key West pink shrimp with squid ink hummus.
All right, go for it. I'm going to ask you a couple questions as
Sure.
you cook, if that's okay. So, what makes Key West pink shrimp so special?
Well, they're really hard to come by. They just come by a couple times a year, and they're probably the best shrimp you can find on the market. Definitely sweeter.
So, what are you dusting that in?
This is Wondrous flour. It helps for the crispiness.
That's
It'll give
funny.
it a nice
It's my
little
favorite.
flavor. And then we're gonna add a little bit of a garlic.
Yep.
And then we're gonna have some shallots. Here we go. Then we have those beautiful tomatoes from Homestead.
Okay.
I'm gonna throw a little bit of edamame too as well.
Edamame being the soybeans.
We have a few croutons. And don't forget the most important ingredient is the salt.
The salt, right.
Yeah, always. A little pepper.
Shall I press the lime juice?
Yeah, that would be awesome. You can do that. So we're gonna deglaze the pan, a little lime juice there.
Okay.
And then finishing, I'm gonna do a little bit of lemon zest.
So that's citrusy. You've got the brightness of the
Yep.
tomato, the brightness of the lime, and the lemon zest.
With the hummus, it's gonna
lovely.
taste wonderful.
Yeah, it's just gonna pop. So talk to me about your record player.
Yeah, I like to think outside the box. I had a whole record player laying in my basement, and I came up with this idea here to make the plate spin, do some plate design,
I have never seen this before.
do the hummus right in the middle there. And here you go, you just go around and
That's awesome.
it makes a beautiful
Oh,
presentation.
oh my goodness. Could you do like 500 plates like this?
I've done 300.
Have you really?
Yeah.
One by one. Wow. That is
It's a
hilarious.
very nice presentation. I think 3 is probably the number here. And here we go, we have a beautiful
Lovely.
plate.
It's beautiful. Thank you, Chef.
Thank you, happy to have you.
Thank you. Everything here has been delicious so far.
Good.
Thanks a lot. The taste of the Florida Keys is just a step away. Check out my recipe at checkpleasefl.com.